University of Texas at Dallas, Richardson, Texas. Don't let this call button fool you. You may think this elevator is modded, but look what's on the inside. Let's ride. Here we go.
Whoa! The oldest elevator on campus.
Montgomery A series. Awesome. All right, let's be quiet. Listen to the motor. I'm riding with Nishant today.
Hey there.
This is the only vintage elevator here on this whole campus. Installed in 1985. I want to listen to that motor again. Whoa.
That was a thud.
This thing starts with a big bump. Also, as you can see, this indicator is, this lantern is flipped upside down. The up should be on this, and then this red should be on the down.
Oh, okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I'll go for another ride. Let's hope it doesn't jolt this time, because I think what happened was like the pump was like dry and it has been used as much.
Okay. You can hear the motor a lot more now.
Yep. That was fast.
Yeah, that was very fast.
Yeah, see
It's
what
only
I mean?
2 floors as well.
You see what I mean when I say that? And when I say that the pump was like very dry, that's
Yeah.
It's just the reason why it jolts is because sometimes when the elevator's not used as much, the pump like starts to get very dry, and when the pump just starts like catching it up, it'll get warmer.
Interesting.
Now I'm gonna do a full silent trip for the one last time, if that's okay. See, these are your fixtures. Montgomery A series. There's your phone. All right, now I'm gonna close the door and let's be silent going up.
Okay. Sure thing.
All right, you ready, Nishant?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Let's go.
All right, go ahead and send it down to 1.
Okay.
What do you think about this elevator, Nishant?
I think it's pretty cool. It's very old. I like that.
Aside from that big thump.
I can't believe this is the oldest elevator at UT Dallas, though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna film any more elevators after this one, because a lot of them are just modded and nothing so special. And
Okay.
there's another enthusiast whose name is YouTuber Gloose. He actually filmed every elevator on campus.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna film that many elevators here. So just so you know.
And that is the Research and Operating Center elevator, the Montgomery, what was it called, Jim?
Montgomery A series,
Montgomery A series, right there.
installed in 1985.
1985.
So with that being said, that is gonna be it.